Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 23. Bodies, Bytes and Breakthroughs Collide. Made by Chris Morley of Lantern Light AI with Love and AI Magic in Boston on Friday, May 8, 2026 at 7:43 a.m. UTC. Science is hitting hard today, with immunotherapy taking on multiple cancers solo, Parkinson's claiming the title of fastest-growing neurological condition, and body sounds emerging as a surprising early window into brain disease. On the tech side, digital avatars are rewriting how video gets made, SAP, Hitachi and HID are blurring the line between physical and digital worlds, and global research hubs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible next. First up, cancer cures, immunotherapy precision oncology news from around the world. Results from a large clinical trial showed that nearly 80% of patients with several types of cancer were successfully treated using immunotherapy alone, without surgery or other invasive procedures. Two recent Phase 2 trials, known as INDABLADE and SURE-2, also challenged the long-standing medical standard of requiring radical surgery for muscle-invasive bladder cancer, suggesting some patients may do well without it. Researchers say the findings point to a broader shift in oncology toward treatments that harness the body's own immune system. Regulatory momentum is also building, with pivotal FDA decisions on new cancer therapies drawing close attention from the medical community. Next, a major story from the world of research. Laboratories across Montreal, Shanghai, Stanford, and Nagoya are producing a steady stream of research advances spanning materials science, health technology, and environmental monitoring. Teams at Nagoya University have been examining novel catalyst designs aimed at reducing industrial emissions, while Stanford researchers continued publishing findings on next-generation battery chemistry earlier this year. In Shanghai, university-linked institutes have expanded collaborations with international partners on genomic data sharing. Montreal's growing artificial intelligence research community has drawn renewed attention from global funding bodies. Taken together, these developments reflect a broad shift toward distributed scientific leadership, with major breakthroughs increasingly emerging from multiple centers simultaneously rather than from a single dominant hub. Now, a top science and technology headline. Parkinson's disease has become the fastest-growing neurodegenerative condition in the United States, according to researchers tracking long-term trends in brain disease. The condition causes progressive loss of nerve cells, leading to tremors, muscle stiffness, slowing of movement, and balance problems that raise the risk of falls. Alzheimer's disease, which affects the cerebral cortex and hippocampus, and ALS, which destroys the motor neurons controlling voluntary muscle movement, continue to place a heavy global burden alongside Parkinson's. Scientists say early detection and a better understanding of disease pathways remain the central challenges in developing effective treatments for all three conditions. Coming up, the latest in digital avatars video synthesis. Enterprise demand for AI-generated digital avatars has grown sharply in 2026, with platforms offering lifelike talking presenters for training, marketing, and global content at scale. Tools from companies including HeyGen and Mango AI allow users to generate realistic lip-synced video from text or audio in minutes, with libraries of over 150 pre-built avatars or the option to upload a personal photo to create a digital double. Production houses and enterprises are adopting the technology to cut costs and speed up multilingual content delivery. Developers say no video editing experience is required to produce broadcast-quality results with current AI avatar systems. After that, one more story from the lab and the field. Researchers are exploring whether the body's own sounds, including changes in speech patterns and vocabulary, could help detect Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease far earlier than current methods allow. Both conditions are typically diagnosed late, once symptoms are already well established, which limits the effectiveness of treatment. Scientists have noted that people with Alzheimer's often show measurable reductions in vocabulary and a tendency to repeat certain words, changes that may be detectable before a formal diagnosis. Earlier detection could open a wider window for intervention and improve outcomes for millions of patients worldwide. And finally, digital-physical integration from the wider world. Enterprise technology firms are accelerating efforts to merge digital systems with physical environments. SAP announced partnerships with Capgemini and Cyberwave to connect its enterprise software to robots, sensors, and digital twins on the factory floor. Separately, Hitachi expanded its collaboration with NVIDIA to drive AI integration across physical and industrial settings. Security firm HID also launched a new platform called HID Integration Service, combining physical access control, cybersecurity, and digital identity management into a single system. Together, these moves signal a broad industry push to close the gap between digital intelligence and real-world operations.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe and share with your friends. More science, tech and AI news coming soon. Hit like, subscribe and tell your friends. Thanks for watching.